Hey guys, welcome back. We got this Audi A7 here. It's a 2014 TDI. It's a 3.0 6-cylinder turbo diesel. I'm gonna do a walk around and show you inside and out, give you the condition report on it. It's got low miles on it, 39,000 miles, and it's a rebuild title. But it was all fixed, passed state patrol, safety check. All good to go. And it is a Quattro, so it's a all-wheel drive model. Really good on gas, 38 miles per gallon on the highway, and about 24 in the city. Let's see. I think the asking price. Let's see the price on it. $32,000. And like I said, we're in Seattle, Lake City. Phone number 206-801-9239. If you have any questions, call us, email us, text us. We can help you arrange shipping if you're out-of-state buyer. So let's get into it. Let's check out these wheels. Tires are Michelin Sports. Let's see how much tread left. Maybe 60-70% tread left. Let's see the tire size. Tire size 265, 35, 20. Pretty big wheels, but they look real nice. And I guess it's a S-line. Oh, I think it was also a Prestige trim level, if you will. Let's look inside. I love these kind of style doors. Just open, the window opens up all the way and there's nothing here. Pretty cool. Bose audio system. Let me turn this noise off. There's a push start. Pretty clean. Let me just show you and then we'll start it again. Leather seats, of course. Sunroof. Let's see what else we got. Should have heated seats. I think it's got AC seats as well. There's a AC seat. Clean, beautiful, no dents, no issues. Headliner is nice. The leathers are clean. The seats are nice. Nothing weird. Climate control in the back. Elbow rest here. Let's start this car. Excuse the glare, the sun in our face a little bit. So we got a parking brake here. Music works. Volume. Here's the volume. Cluster. Give us some revs for you guys. Healthy. No funny noises. A lot of options, standard loader options. You get cruise control, of course. Let's see if there's a backup camera. Yep, we got a camera. Sunroof, all the buttons here. Sunglasses. Glove compartments. Super clean, nothing's broken the way it should be. Locks, everything works. Power mirrors. I think we got the sensor, blind spot sensors, but all the way it's supposed to be. Wipers, blinkers here. Let's pop the hood and trunk and look in there. This is the front. Oh, you got the adjusting. This thing goes up and down. Steering wheel. Got the trunk over here. The body looks super clean. I don't see anything that stands out to me. Some dirt on it. We got some leaves on the body laying top, but no dings, no paint coming off, no scuffs. A little bit curbage here, but small. The rest of the car looks nice. Sunroof. The whole roof looks clean. Spacious trunk. I think this opens up. Spare. Clean, no moisture, no water. This power. Let's see if that works. Cool. This is Quattro here. the engine. Sounds the way it's supposed to sound. No funny stuff, no weird noises, no smoke, no oil. Super clean. Looks dry. I'm not seeing any oil on the bottom. Looks dry and clean. Let's close this. Nice car, clean. It's kind of fancy for me, but I just noticed the paddle shifters here, and that's about all, guys. Seattle, Lake City, Washington State, Sport Motive Auto Sales, 206-801-9239. Call text.